Hi folks, it's Miss Isacco. Today I want to show you a few tips and shortcuts for how to use Piktochart. The Piktochart is a presentation and infographic app that you'll be able to use to make presentations sort of like Prezi or Google Slides. You can also use it to make infographics to present information, and you can also use it to make printable flyers. So I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to using Piktochart. This is what it looks like when you create an account and you log in. You're at your dashboard. So these are some Piktochart that I've already worked with. Now, if you want to, for example, create an infographic, you're going to click over here on the left where it says infographic, and you have several options. The first thing you can do is create a new infographic. The second thing you can do is search through all of the existing templates that they have, and you can choose one to work with. Now, the great thing about the templates that are already available on Piktochart is they are completely customizable. You can change out pictures, you can change out the format, and they're all ready-made and designed to catch the user's attention. So while you have the option to create a brand new one from scratch, I really recommend that you use one of the pre-made ones that already exist. If you click on preview, you can scroll through and see what it looks like, and it gives you some information on how to adjust it to your needs. You can add pictures. There's all sorts of ways that you can customize it, which I really like. Next, I want to show you the presentations. Again, if you click on presentation, it's going to look similar to what the infographic screen. There's a blank template, which I don't recommend you start with. And then there are several pre-created templates that you can completely customize to create your own presentation. And like I said, there's a lot of really good things in here, but there's a couple things I want to share with you, some tips that it took me a while to figure out, so I thought I would share them with you. The last thing I want to show you is you can also create printable, like PDFs, posters, flyers, and that sort of thing. And their layout is the same. You click on printables and you've got choices for different pre-made layouts that you can select and then customize. Now, once you're ready to get started, you're going to hover over the template and click on Use Template. Once your template is loaded, there are a lot of different things you can do. Most of the templates that are pre-made give you some instructions. It tells you, for example, right here, to try not to adjust the box size. It's designed to be ideal for the person who's looking through your infographic. You can change the background, you can change the color scheme, you can change the photos, all with this toolbar over here. You can upload photos to use. These are some photos that I had uploaded to use on a presentation that I was working on. You can change the background. Here, I want to change it to something that looks like that. And there I've changed the background. You can change the color scheme as well. If you click on this, there's choices, or there's options as well. If you have a certain type of account, you can add different types of text and text frames. And then there's tools you can use to add charts, maps, and videos. One of the things that I found difficult to work with at first, so I wanted to show you, was how to change out some of the pictures that are in there. If, for example, let's look at this picture right here of a donut. If you don't want that picture of a donut, you want to add your own, all you have to do is go to uploads. If you haven't uploaded images already, you can browse images from your computer and upload them. Once you upload them, they appear right here. And then once they're uploaded, you can just drag the picture and bring it over, and it should insert it right into the spot where you want it to. So I don't like this cake either. I'm going to drag another picture out of there and bring it right over there. And then once you do that, you can adjust the size. You can go back to all the customizations. But I think that drag and drop is a great feature, and it makes it really easy to use. It just took me a minute to figure out how to use it. One more thing that I want to show you how to do on Piktochart is, say you're working in a box and you want to make it longer or make a second one of those. You can see right down here where the boxes are divided. If you want to make a duplicate of that, this icon right over here that says clone block. If you hover over it, click on that, and it makes you an exact replica of the one that you were working on. And so then you could add more pictures, you could change the title. There's all sorts of customization that you can do with that. Once you are done working with your Piktochart, you'll click Save up here. It'll save it. If you click Share, um, you can click OK here, and you can get a link that either only you can view or anyone can view. And that's what you would do to be able to link that on an assignment or share it with other people. I hope you enjoy working with Piktochart. If you have any questions, you can certainly talk to me. Thanks.